Mike with Superbee, and as you know, the press fit bottom bracket standard has become very popular. And with this in mind, Superbee has developed the TB-19002 bottom bracket press and removal tool. All right, now we're going to go ahead and install a Shimano bottom bracket into this frame. First thing you want to do is make sure the bottom bracket is really clean. I like to use rubbing alcohol and a rag. After that's really clean, you're going to want to either use grease, some kind of Loctite product, I've heard Teflon tape, or some people like to just go in with nothing on the bottom bracket shell. You should check the frame manufacturer to see what they recommend. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use a high quality grease. All right, next we're going to go ahead and grab the threaded rod and one of the bushings, the bottom bracket bearings, we're going to grab another bushing and making sure we get the right size. In this case, it's 24 millimeters. A washer and a nut. Then you can use an adjustable wrench or a 17 millimeter box end wrench and your Allen key. And carefully press the bearings into the frame until snug. All right, your drive side bearings have been pressed in place. Okay, now we're going to install the non-drive side bearings. We've cleaned and greased the bottom bracket shell. So first we're going to start with our threaded rod, the right size bushing, which in this case is 24 millimeters. We're going to insert these into the drive side. Grab our bearings. Again, 24 millimeter bushing. All right. And there we go. Your bottom bracket has been installed. Okay, now we're going to remove the bottom bracket bearings. First, you're going to start with your threaded rod, and you're going to want to screw the nut about halfway down. Next, pick the appropriate plate. For this, it's 24 millimeters. Then you're going to grab your cover and a washer and a nut. Okay. You're going to grab your Allen key and your 17 millimeter. And then you are going to press the bearings out. And there you go. Now we're going to remove the drive side bearings. You need your threaded rod with the nut. You're going to choose the correct size plate, 24 millimeters in this case. Slide it on in. You're going to grab your cup and washer and nut. And then use your 8mm Allen key and your 17mm wrench. And carefully press out the bearings. And there you go. The bearings have now been removed. Now we've successfully installed and removed the press fit bottom bracket using the TB-19002. Most importantly, we did not use the traditional hammering method. We used a much safer pressing method, which protects the frame from any kind of damage and future problems.